Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a great find, a quality 6-unit townhome development for sale located here in New Manila, Quezon City. This property has fast access towards San Juan and it's also in a centrally and strategically located community. Now, in terms of the size of each unit, the lot sizes range from 120 to 164 square meters and the floor areas range from 450 to 488 square meters across 4 levels. For this particular unit that we're going to show you, it has a lot area of 164 square meters and a floor area of 451 square meters. Now, let's begin the tour. Now, each unit has a carport area for 3 vehicles. And it's completely covered. You can easily have even 3 sports utility vehicles here. You have access here towards the back of the house. And right here, you have hidden doors where you have access towards the circuit breakers of the house here. And this is a bathroom for your driver as well. And right here, you have your main entry. Let's go. It's a beautiful natural wood door. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have an entrance foyer space, and I like the high ceiling. And one of the refreshing sights here upon entering the main door is you immediately have a view of the garden area at the side of the house. So this is for the front unit for the development. And this extends all the way to the corner of the property. We won't go through here because right now there's still some construction materials that are about to get cleared out. But as you can see, you also have a passenger elevator giving you access to all 4 levels of the property. And on this side, let's explore the ground level bedroom. So this is a multi-purpose room, and what I love about this property is you have beautiful natural wood flooring for the bedrooms. And once again, nice ceiling height as well. The property is just undergoing the finishing touches in terms of the construction. That's why you still have some construction materials that are about to get cleared out. But you can also slide open this door to have access to a tiled patio out here as an extension or amenity area for this room. So this can be a home office as well if you don't want to use it as a bedroom. But if you want to maximize it as a bedroom, you have an ensuite bathroom right here. I love the finishes for this property. Floor to ceiling tiling, there's even indirect lighting. And a nice aesthetic in terms of the different designs of the tiles used. And this also even has a area for storage. And right here, you have the staff room. So it has ventilation here, giving you a view of your parking area. And it also has storage and its own bathroom. Let's head on up towards the second level. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of the property where you have your main amenity spaces. You have an open concept plan for your living and dining area. Easily have a large living room set right here, and it even has its own balcony space. This is a great way to have ventilation for your entire amenity space. It's also a nice additional area on top of your living space if you just want to step out and have a breath of fresh air. And in addition, you have quality PVC windows with a wood grain design and also very sturdy as well. Let's head on in. And check out this perspective. I don't even feel like I'm in a townhome at all. This feels like a single detached house and lot in terms of the space and the feel. From your living area, this central area is where you can have your dining space. You can easily have a large table here, a circular table, or a rectangular table, whichever way you want to orient it because there's so much space. And from here, you have your modern kitchen. I love this kitchen space in terms of how wide the space is. It doesn't feel cramped at all. There's so much room to navigate. You have a beautiful island countertop right here, which also doubles as storage. And there's so much pantry space all around. And I love that there's ventilation and natural lighting coming from the other side of the room. You can easily have, of course, your double-doored refrigerator right here. And in terms of where you can place your oven and range hood, there's already a provision here. And we can easily discuss with the developer in terms of having this cut to the specifications of your oven. Okay? And then right here, you have your powder room. Easily accessible from the main amenity spaces. Beautiful tiling also. And on top of your main kitchen, you also have an auxiliary kitchen space. So what's nice is you also have plenty of ventilation here. You can have an additional oven or an additional refrigerator and an additional refrigerator right here in terms of the space. Before we head on up, we've now explored the living, dining, kitchen, and auxiliary kitchen. Let's take a quick look at the service area and laundry area of the property. Let's go. And now we're here at the service area of the property at the ground level, where you have your water tank, pressure tank, and laundry area. And right here you have your driver's room as well. Your driver's room has direct access to your parking area. And here you have the room. And of course, as I mentioned before, your driver has a bathroom through a hidden door in the parking area. Okay? Heading on up towards the third level of the property where you have your second and third bedrooms. Let's go. Another great design feature of this property is that the staircase has these oversized windows, letting natural light all throughout the property at every level. Here at the third level, and now let's explore your second bedroom, which is your primary bedroom. Once again, I'd like to mention the beautiful natural wood flooring. Now, for this particular room, you have two sections. This is where you can have your bed. And then on the other side, you can have your entertainment console right here, which already has a LAN and cable provision. I'd also like to point out the significant ceiling height. You already have a provision for a split type air conditioning unit and even an additional light fixture here at the middle of the room. Now, from the first area of the bedroom, you have a second amenity space which you can use as a lounge area. So you can have a sofa right here, and then you once again have cable and LAN provision right here. This can be a nice lounge area, workstation, or if you have a new baby or a young child, this can be the area for your baby as well, while this is the area for the main bed. So you have so much space. In addition, you have your own balcony as well for your primary bedroom. And here you see you have a significant balcony in terms of the length, just as an additional space for your primary bedroom. You also have your fire escape right here, which is important, especially for a 4-level property. So of course, the designers already thought of that ahead, so safety first. Okay, let's head on in. Now we're back here. My first impression for this property so far is it feels very private. It feels very quiet. This property is near major thoroughfares here in the New Manila area. But what I like also is the way that the rooms and the property has been constructed. Once you already have the curtains, aircon, and furniture here, this feels so peaceful. And right here, you have your walk-in closet space. Mirrors on both sides, so you can check out your outfit. And also a dual vanity sink space on 2 sides of the room. You also have these cabinets. And I like how smooth and sturdy the construction feels. And you have, of course, your toilet and tempered glass shower enclosure. And a more dramatic and impactful tile design for your primary bathroom. Okay, and here we have your 3rd bedroom. Once again, you have a rectangular shape for the room. Easy to place your furniture. Bed is to be here. You can have a king or queen sized bed because of the size of the room. This is where you can have your entertainment console with the provisions here. And lots of natural light as well. And an ensuite bathroom. I like how spacious this bathroom feels in terms of the ventilation. You have 2 large windows. Even the tile design looks great. You also have storage here on the other side. Now let's head on up towards the 4th level where you have your 4th and 5th bedrooms. Welcome to the top level of this property where we have a pleasant surprise for you. On top of your 2nd level, spacious living room, you have another family amenity space here, a den area. And this has really been designed as an additional amenity space because you already have a provision for a split type air conditioning unit. And then here on the other side, you have provision for cable and LAN. So if you want to make this a nice study area for the family or even a nice movie area, this is an excellent spot. Also, this opens up to a spacious balcony area. And now we're here at your balcony area. I wouldn't even consider this just a balcony. This will already qualify as a roof deck because it's also partially covered as well. You have drainage right here. You have outlets, and you can have a table right here and make this a nice outdoor area to just work and relax. And also, you have plenty of ventilation for your den area. And from your den area, you have your 4th bedroom and 5th bedroom. I'd also like to point out the significant height of the doors. For reference, I'm about 5'10". So no problem for even very tall people for this property. And I like that the ceiling height is maintained even up to the 4th level. And here you can have your bed on this side and then your entertainment console on this side. You have a nice large window here, giving you plenty of light and ventilation. Cabinets already right here, and of course your ensuite bathroom. And on top of the storage here, you have additional storage in the bathroom area. Very nice and elegant finish in terms of the feel of the bathrooms, and this large circular mirror is a nice touch. And now let's head on over towards your 5th bedroom. Now, in terms of the size and dimensions, they're almost identical. And this has just a different feel because of the darker color of the cabinetry. But in terms of how you can arrange the furniture, they're very similar. This would be excellent for siblings as well. And it has its own ensuite bathroom. I love the designs of the bathrooms of this property. Every bathroom has a different feel and a different character, but the aesthetic still ties them all together. And you have a nice shower enclosure on this side as well, with natural ventilation also care of a window here. And that caps off our house tour of this beautiful brand new 5-bedroom townhome development for sale here in New Manila, Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.